Okay guys, this is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Offroad. This is a long bed. It's got the bed cover on it. It's got the aftermarket bumper with the winch on it. K02 tires. V6 motor. Is a rebuilt title. Damage is right here in the front. It's a trade-in. It was damaged at 9,900 miles on it, so had 50,000 plus miles since the accident, so shouldn't have any problems because of the rebuild. Let's start it up here. So it does have wireless phone charging, blind spot monitors. 63,909 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. Backup camera. This is your TRD Offroad with your locking diff. Pneumatic windows, all leather floor mats. Tow package. Parking sensors there in the rear. Your winch control. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.